Take a look at the Gobbler 3-wheel scooter for kids. Let's walk through it so you can see its features just for yourself. Let's start from the bottom. Here's the brake. This is a wide rear brake. It has excellent grip, not just for the foot, but how it stops the wheel as well. These wheels are made out of rubber. They glide very smoothly. Just take a look yourself. I'm lightly pushing this on the carpet and look how smooth it's going. The entire base has grip, so it can hold children's feet in place without worrying about slipping. The base is wide enough for young kids to have both feet on it, whether it's front and back or side by side, but if it's an adult using this, it may not be wide enough. It also has adjustable steering and height. You have the option for 6 different height adjustments, which allows the scooter to grow with you from childhood to adulthood. What I like about the height adjustment is that you have 2 mechanisms to adjust the height and ensure it's locked. That gives me comfort as a mom when it comes to safety. I'm not worried about the scooter malfunctioning and adjusting by accident because the mechanisms weren't strong enough. That's not the case here. It is sturdy and designed well. And lastly, I like the 3-wheel design myself because there's more stability with that and you have a lot more control. We have had this for a couple of years now and my daughter always uses it outside. It's made of durable materials and it's great for young kids. It's been used so much and it still looks like it's in great condition.